I met one of our beautiful young lady here. She's wearing a Harley Davidson jacket. And where you? Yeah, that's cool. Where are you from, man?
Slovakia.
Slovakia. So she's from Slovakia. How you? What is your language?
Slovak.
Slavic. So she's from Slovakia, and we met here in. What's
Yes.
her name?
Uliana.
Uliana. So she's Uliana from Slovakia. Thank you, Uliana, for the time.
Thank you.
And you've got a lovely jacket.
Thank
Thank you so much. So guys, isa na namang pagkakataon may namit tayong teenager na nagsuot ng Harley Davidson. Ngayon, dito tayo sa residence area. Kakaiba ang concept ng kanilang house or apartment or apartel. Join me guys to enjoy the view. So this is the apartel. As you can see, ganyan ang concept ng kanilang apartel, mga kababayan. Nice. So, nice life.